Rainbow tree, plus I got this brand in me. Curly yellow dancing on me, so she smell the green on me. She straight from California, freaky, yeah, she wanna.
Somebody asked how I did this TikTok, so I'm going to give you a quick tutorial. Basically, you need 2 or 3 clips, a bummy looking clip, a good looking clip, and another bummy looking clip. I put everything into InShot because it's the easiest place to edit. And on my first clip where I look bummy, I make sure that I get the swipe directly over my face. That's super important for the transition to look seamless. Then I go to my good looking clip and I cut the good looking clip at the very same part where the swipe is over my face, again, for the seamless transition. After that, I go back and get another bummy looking clip. For me, I actually use the back end of my first clip because it's easier than changing your outfit twice to just record it all together. And I adjust that to where I'm swiping back up so it looks seamless and perfect. I resize it for TikTok and then I save it and head on over to TikTok. Once you upload it, you want to make sure you take down the initial value.
So this is how I did my last video. I started off with a hat on my head, then I put a hat in my mouth, lifted my head, then I put the hat from my mouth on my head and put a new hat in my mouth, and I repeated it over and over again and then transitioned them together. And that's it.
Here's the tutorial for my favorite outfit transition. Set the timer, wait for it to count down, and then tug on your outfit as if you're going to pull it off. Change into your second outfit and hold your first outfit up to your body. And then throw it to the side. The transition doesn't have to be perfect because you can adjust the clips to make it more seamless. And that's it for this super easy transition.
Hey, I fucked her so good, she turned around and she thought I had 2 cocks. Click, clap, rat, tat, 2, 3, stoop, you back, back. Hey, I fucked her so good, she turned around and she thought I had 2 cocks. Click, clap, rat, tat, 2, 3, stoop, you back.
You guys know this? I'm gonna show you how to do it.
So first half of the clip, you're gonna put your hand on the top of your head and then go forward. Now for the second half, we need the hand to be going down like this. Okay, so we're gonna go to adjust clip, adjust this first clip to where your hand is right in front of the camera. And then for the second clip, we're gonna put the hand right here. Let's see how that lines up. Oh, that looks so sick.
If you use this tutorial, tag me in your transition so I can tell you how awesome you did.
So you're telling me this is how the girls turn up? Then I'ma stick with the girls.
I'm a NASCAR bitch in a nice car bitch, speeding to this money. Call me Big Rich, kinda big rolls and a Rolls Royce.
So you're telling me this is how the girls turn up? Then I'ma stick with the girls.
I'm a NASCAR bitch in a nice car bitch, speeding to this money. Call me Big Rich, kinda big rolls and a Rolls Royce.
Look at how she walks. Look at how she walk.
What's up, TikTok? So this transition has been trending on TikTok and I'm going to show you exactly how it's done.
So step 1, record yourself putting your hand on your head and pushing your head down. Step 2, it's a good idea to change your outfit or change location so that the second part of the transition is really different from the first. Step 3, record yourself pushing your hand down. Now this is where the magic happens. Press the tick in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now on the right hand side of the screen, there's a feature called Adjust Clips. Press that and it will take you through to the feature where you can trim the clips that you've just filmed. Now all you have to do is trim the first clip so that your hand position ends in a similar position to where it will start in the second clip. Once you've done this, you've done it. You've now mastered a new TikTok transition. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, hit that like button.
Might just go psycho. Drunk white hoes. But I might though. Might just go psycho. Too many drunk white hoes. Said I won't, but I might though. Walking on a tight.
Info. I'm out of it. I'm gone. Big rack.
She said she trying to kick it. I'm in a sound like a minute.
Info. I'm out of there. I'm gone. Big rack. They long.
Nobody different. She said she trying to kick it. I'm in a mouth sound like a
drop. Out of school. Now we done. This sound like some 4301 shit. Dropped out of school, now we done rich. This sound like some 4301 shit.
I tried to scream, but my head was underwater. I tried to scream, but my head was underwater.
But they didn't raise me, so fuck their opinion. Yeah, he gone off the perk, now he raising his meat. I don't think that's a nigga that you want to keep. Cause he give me brain like every other week. I smoked all his weed, and I told him to leave. Use him for his money, that's all that I need. When I see him, but they didn't raise me, so fuck their opinion. Yeah, he gone off the perk, now he raising his meat. I don't think that's a nigga that you wanna keep. Cause he give me brain like every other week. I smoked all his weed and I told him to leave. Use him for his money, that's all that I need when I see him.
I'm not in the mirror, I'm inside you. Let me guide you.
Fuck you, die, you son of a bitch!
Put the gun down.
Bye bye! Okay, I'm still alive.
So am I too. You can't kill a spirit even if you tried to. So I'm not in the mirror, I'm inside you. Let me guide you.
Fuck you, die,
you son of a bitch!
Put the gun down.
Bye-bye! Okay, I'm still alive.
So am I too. You can't kill a spirit even if you tried to.
And I want you. Take what I want. Take what I want when I want it. And I want you. Take what I want when I want it. And I want you.